I was delighted to be able to support Mr. Luis Carrera's report on proportionality and subsidiarity of small airports. We have always tried to have one-size-fits-all policies in the EU, but the EU must recognise that each member state and each local circumstances require different solutions, and Mr. Carrera's report has addressed that in its fullest. There are small airports, there are medium-sized airports, and there are large international hubs. We don't want the European Union to be a massive airport structure. We have got the right balance in this report, and that is the way we should be looking at our infrastructure in the future. And this is one of the reasons why, in my own constituency of the south-east of England, I am very reluctant indeed to think about supporting a third runway at Heathrow, when we could have a better structure for Kent in a new airport on the Thames estuary. Thank you.
Gracias, señor Divan. Pasamos al informe de la señora Záborská. Tiene la palabra por un minuto la señora Pleštinska.
V praxi sa ukazuje, že procedúra podľa článku 45/2 má vážne nedostatky. Okrem toho, že okrem spravodajcu v rozprave v pléne nemôže byť k danej téme už žiadna